and that FilmMovieStudio is very good application because in this application you can generate long video, long cartoons. You can generate any movies, any e-commerce design, e-commerce influencer videos, and so on. So how it's working? It's quite easy. You need to only write which skill you would like to use. For example, in this video we will use slash short minus drama, and that skill short minus drama is a skill which is generating all pipeline from the script writing, character generation, all episodes, all scenes, narrations, and also videos. So basically this is my prompt which I use. So the idea is that you will call some script or skill with short drama, and then you will write some prompt. For example, I am testing this with make a 120-second trailer in the style of classic 2D Disney hard-drawn animation, and these are the definition of characters which I define: The Lion King, Mulan, and Tarzan. And this is also some short description of that story. You don't need to write all that description, all that story. You need to write only basic idea, basic ideas, or basic storyboards, or basic strips which you will use. And as you can see, this is generating automatically. There is agents, there is a lot of agents which are generating this. As you can see, first step is analyzing intent. As you can see on the left canvas, you see all that here. So here is that intent. So that intent is genre, animated, mythic, fantasy, adventure. Tone is also generating that agents, wonder, fable with street smart edge. As you can see, you can also edit this, you can define this, you can save it. Here is also defined format, 120 second. So, and after that, when is intent, as you can see, intent is down, now developing both characters with profiles and reference portraits. Here are the characters which are defined by agent. For example, here is the Zara, protagonist, 16 years old, market thief, and also generating some image for that character. Then we have another character. What is that? The Jekyll. Jekyll is also here. So here is also defined with some prompt. As you can see, you can define, you can edit that prompt, and here is that output of that generation. What is really is good in this application? In this application is good that you can, for example, add to chat. So for example, if you would like to reuse this image for another chatting, you can use this add to chat. You can also copy the text if you need some modification in different place. But what is really good, you can also do this remix. That remix will define a new character or new image. If you are not satisfied, you can remix this. And finally, there is also option to add to timeline. We will show it later. The timeline is for that final assembling. But what is also interesting, that you can also adjust color adjustment. You can adjust hue, color, vibrance, saturation, contrast, brightness. So everything is here. That's really good. And beside this, you can also do to see full screen of that image. For example, with that full screen, you can see that full screen of that image. And finally, you have also that options to delete that image, or what I want not to delete. So now our characters are defined, and we can go to the next steps. As you can see, both character portraits are locked to their cards, so they are it. And now let me confirm your vision before I build the full bits sheet. And now it's asking some details, and after that it's painting that keyframe. So for that, generating the keyframes, first is generating some episodes, and after generating of that episodes, it's generating all that scenes. So every episode can have more scenes, what is really good, because you can navigate that agent in your manner, in your idea. And also you can copy that, you can send to chat. You can also see full screen of that chat. And also, as you can see, it's also modified to that bold. So basically you can zoom out this workspace, because as you can see, if you have a lot of images or videos, you need to zoom out, zoom in. Here's also that mini map. That mini map is helping you with orientation, so you can move up, down, left, right. So as you can see, that agent is running and it's generating that all scene cars after episodes. So you have 6 scene cars, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images. That's fine.